How to build a whelping box. Proper steps to build a whelping box to fit the need of an average pet owner to the seasoned professional. This design is simple yet effective for whelping mothers. Method 1 for the floor. 1. Cut one sheet of the OSB to finish out at 5 foot 6 inches, 152 centimeters. 2. Now cut two pieces of 2-inch by 4-inch board at approximately 4 foot, 12 m, which should be the width of the OSB wood. 3. Stand the boards up so that you have around 3/5/8 from the inside of the OSB to the top of the 2-inch by 4-inch board and attach to the 4-foot end of the OSB with the wood screws. In between the 2-inch by 4-inch boards, you should have approximately 5 foot 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters, so cut two more 2-inch by 4-inch boards to fit this space and attach. You should now have what appears to be a miniature sandbox. Method 2. Construct the sides. 1. Cut two sheets of the OSB the same length as the floor, approximately 5 foot 6 inches, 152 centimeters, long, leaving it 4 foot wide, and attach to the 5 foot 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters, long 2-inch by 4-inch boards of the floor. 2. Cut another sheet of the OSB in half, approximately 4 foot, 12 m, x 4 foot, 1.2 m, attach it to one of the 2-inch by 4-inch boards of the floor to form a back. 3. Pay very close attention to this part. Cut two pieces of the 2-inch by 6-inch boards, approximately 5 foot 6 inches, 15.2 centimeters. 4. Attach them to the 2-inch by 4-inch boards of the floor with screws and the sides with screws. 5. Now cut two additional 2-inch by 6-inch boards to go in between the two you just attached with screws. 6. Attach one of the boards to the 2-inch by 4-inch board at the back and the OSB at the back with screws. 7. Attach the other 2-inch by 6-inch board to the remaining 2-inch by 4-inch board that will eventually be the door of the box. 8. Cut the 2-inch by 4-inch boards for corners of the box. Make sure to get an accurate measurement. It should be around 3 foot 7 inches, 17.8 centimeters. 9. Cut the boards and install with the screws, making sure they do not penetrate through the 2-inch by 4-inch boards to the inside of the box. Any protrusions could be a possible safety hazard. For example, a pointed screw end sticking out inside the box could hurt any animal inside. Method 3. Make the door. 1. Measure the space of the remaining end for the door with the last piece of the OSB, which should approximately be 4 feet by 4 feet, and cut to fit. 2. Now, using your own judgment to place the board for making the door, attach the two hinges. Make sure that the door will work properly when opening and shutting. 3. Now, cut the remaining 2 inches by 4 inches to wrap around the door for support. 4. Measure in between the 4 2 inches by 4 inches that were just attached to the door. 5. Measure, cut the 2 inches by 4 inches and attach on center for more support for the door. 6. On the opposite side of the hinge, measure, cut and attach another 2 inches by 4 inches to the outside of the box where the door opens and shuts. 7. Install the barrel bolt for locking mechanism for the door. 8. Make sure that all wood is clean from any dust or debris. Inspect inside for any objects that could harm a pet. 9. Apply 2 coats of primer, allowing drying between coats, following with 2 coats of paint, allowing for those to dry in between as well. Things. 4. 3/4 inch by 4 foot by 5 foot sheets of OSB wood, Do not use treated because it gives off gases that could be harmful to animals and humans in confined areas. Approximately 50 foot of 2-inch by 4-inch boards. 2 gallons, 7.6 L, of primer. 2 gallons, 7.6 L, of paint. 2 heavy-duty door hinges. 1 medium-sized barrel bolt. A paintbrush and roller with paint tray. 6 or number 8 wood screws 1 1/2 inch long. 19 foot of 2-inch by 6-inch boards.